Hey guys, Vion here. In this video, we're going to talk about the future of transportation, including self-driving cars, flying cars, and hyperloops. We'll explore the latest advancements in these areas and discuss some of the companies and projects that are leading the way. Let's start with self-driving cars. These cars use sensors, cameras, and artificial intelligence to operate without human input. Companies such as Waymo, Tesla, and Cruise are some of the leading players in this area. Waymo, a subsidiary of Alphabet, has been testing its self-driving cars in Arizona since 2017. Tesla has also been making strides in this area with its autopilot feature, which can navigate on highways and even change lanes on its own. General Motors Cruise has been testing its autonomous vehicles in San Francisco and has received $7.25 billion in funding to date. However, there are still challenges to be addressed, such as the need for regulations and policies that govern the use of these vehicles. Flying cars are also becoming a reality thanks to companies such as Terrafugia, Uber, and Airbus. Terrafugia is a subsidiary of Chinese automaker Geely and is developing a flying car called the Transition. The Transition can drive like a car on the road and fly in the air. Uber is also working on a project called Uber Elevate, which aims to develop a network of flying taxis that can transport people within cities. Airbus is developing a flying car called the Vahana, which is designed to take off and land vertically like a helicopter. However, there are significant challenges to be addressed in this area, such as the cost of production and airspace regulations. Hyperloops are another form of transportation that is gaining attention. Companies such as Virgin Hyperloop, Hyperloop Transportation Technologies, and Transpod are leading the way in this area. Virgin Hyperloop recently completed its first test run with human passengers, reaching speeds of up to 107 miles per hour. Hyperloop Transportation Technologies is working on a project in Abu Dhabi that aims to transport passengers between the city and Al Ain in just 10 minutes. Al Ain is a city in the Emirate of Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates, located approximately 160 kilometers east of Abu Dhabi city. Hyperloop Transportation Technologies, HTT, is working on a Hyperloop project that aims to transport passengers between Abu Dhabi city and Al Ain in just 10 minutes. The Hyperloop is a high-speed transportation system that uses a vacuum-sealed tube to transport passengers or cargo at speeds of up to 1,000 km per hour. Transpod, a Canadian company, is developing a Hyperloop system that can transport passengers at speeds of up to 1,200 km per hour. However, there are still significant challenges to be addressed in this area, such as the high cost of construction and the need for adequate infrastructure. Advancements in AI, robotics, and other technologies are driving the future of transportation. Companies such as Nvidia, Alphabet, and Bosch are leading the way in this area. Nvidia is developing advanced computing solutions for autonomous vehicles. Alphabet is working on a self-driving car project called Waymo. Bosch is developing a range of technologies, including sensors and software, for autonomous vehicles. As we continue to make progress in these areas, we can expect to see more revolutionary transportation solutions emerge in the coming years. As we develop and adopt new forms of transportation, it's essential to consider the ethical and social implications. For example, self-driving cars and flying cars could have a significant impact on jobs, urban planning, and society more broadly. We must also consider how these new transportation solutions will impact the environment and climate change. There is a need for policies and regulations to ensure the safe and responsible development and deployment of new forms of transportation. In conclusion, the future of transportation is exciting, with self-driving cars, flying cars, and hyperloops paving the way for a more efficient and sustainable way of traveling. As we continue to make progress in this area, we must also consider the ethical, social, and environmental implications of these new transportation solutions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.